Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is their Slimy Ghost Bath Bomb, which is just absolutely the cutest. They do such a great job with their bath bombs. And this one had a very unique scent. The fragrance notes are ginger ale, orange, lemon, peppermint, patchouli, and geranium. So it was very unique. It wasn't off-putting. It was just like a smell I hadn't really smelled before, if you know what I mean. Like there's the combinations of all the fragrances. I'm like, oh, that's very interesting. I feel like I picked up most on the geranium and the patchouli. But yeah, interesting choice of fragrance notes they had there. And per usual, there's always pops of color hidden inside their bath bombs. So this one had a little bit of blue that you'll see more later, yellow, and then black. And I thought it was so fun to watch him dissolve in the tub. I am very sad though, because I was notified by a subscriber that their website's down again. So whenever they sell out of stuff, when you go to their website, it just has like a page that says, sorry, we'll be back later. You can subscribe and have their social media links. And you can't look at the products, like the past products. So I kind of hate that they do that. Even if I can't buy any, I still like to look at stuff. But the note on there this time says they'll be back next year, which I'm hoping is wrong. I really was looking forward to some Christmas bath bombs because they have some amazing bath bombs, and I'm not paid to say that. I buy all of these myself. They just have really, really awesome bath bombs, both by the way they look, how they perform in the tub, how colorful they are, they don't stain, they smell good. I just love them. And I don't remember how I originally found them. I don't remember if it was a subscriber suggestion, but I do have a couple more from them. I think I might have quite a few left from them. There are some more Halloween ones I will do demos of. And then I just have some normal ones, like I think I have a Pop-Tart one and a little donut bubblegum thing. So I do have a few more coming. But yeah, you can sign up, put your email address in, and they'll notify you whenever they go live with new products. And I suggest doing that because that's how I remember to check. They notify me. And yeah, the stuff will sell out really quickly, especially if it's like the holiday or themed items like Jack and Sally and some of the real popular things. But here's what it looked like at the end. So cool. And the water was pretty bright green. Sometimes when I zoom too far in, it like color adjusts the screen, so you can't always tell how green it is or how orange it is. It normally does it with like orange, but yeah, it was really pretty. So I do have a link below, but like I said, there's nothing on there. But in the future, if you want a $10 off code and to shop around on their website, I do have a playlist and all their information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.